Alright, so you might think this is a dumb or silly video, but I'm going to show how to use the sun visor for the Tesla Model Y. This is the 2022 version. But anyways, you want to actually pull on the side that's closest to your window. So if you're the driver, this window. If you're on the passenger side, of course you want to pull on this side. Okay, and the reason for that is when you pull this, okay, this one is linked solid there. Okay, and this side has a magnet. So if you pull this side, sometimes if you like do it quick, you see it does that. And you don't want that to happen. So you actually want to pull on this side. Of course, you also have the mirror thing here and everything. Okay, but yeah, you do want to pull on this side. Okay, sorry, on the side closer to your window. All right, and that's why. Okay, of course, if you want to take it out, then you can go ahead and pull on this side. But if you're just opening and closing the visor to give yourself some shade, you want to pull on this side, and then you'll never have the problem with it disconnecting. Sometimes I wasn't thinking about it, and then I kind of grab this side, and then of course if you pull it too quick, it disconnects on its own. Okay, maybe if you want to disconnect it, then you can do that. Just go on this side and just kind of quickly pull it, and you can get it to do that. All right, if you want to like swing it over to the side here to block the sun on the side. But yeah, if you're just trying to flip this forward to block the sun in front of you, then you'd go that way. And then of course, if you want to block the sun to the side of you, you can just quickly pull this and do that. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next one.